Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where you watch me eat something spicy, and that's the freaking deal. So today, I've got one that was sent to me by the Fat Hipster. Thank you. Go onto YouTube, type in the Fat Hipster, and you'll find his channel. Check his stuff out. This is the empty packaging from Nongshim Super Spicy. This is only available, I believe, in the UK, maybe just Europe. It's a spicier, it's Nongshim Shin Red Super Spicy. See? Spicy! Yeah. And here is what it looks like. Wow is right. This is gonna like be really hot. It's actually hot already. The bowl is hot. Don't touch. Okay? I don't want you to burn. Oh my. Alright, well, can you give me a ready, set, go? Wait. I'm almost ready for that ready, set, go. Alright, here we go. Mmm. Hey. Nope. Go. Run away. Over here. Away from the computer. It's spicy. It's way spicy. It is. It really is. Don't give me that look. What do you think, Miles? You're not buying it, are you? You're not buying it, huh? No? Yes. Or you are buying it, okay. Okay. Yeah. Now you having fun?
I'm having
Good.
fun too.
And you're having fun? Hey, that's all I care about. Well, as far as the spiciness goes, yeah, it's spicy. It's also a very hot bowl. I let it sit for a few minutes because I knew that if I just started going into this, you're going to be sitting there for a long time. Because I just don't do... Email. Those are these new people I just met. They do a show you might want to check out on YouTube called the Ramen Noodle Review. And they call their fans their poodles. I think that's what they said. That's Miles' hat. Try it on. That is the weird... You're wearing that face mask upside down, I swear. Okay, it's hot. It's tasty, though. The noodle has a nice thickness to it.
Look at me.
Look at you. And it has, and definitely has a saltiness to it, which works together. It's like salty and spicy.
Look at me.
I don't know, can they see you? Yeah, you can be seen. You could talk about Hello Kitty. What do you think about Hello Kitty? Oh, you want to see a good one? Like somebody go, you say, "Hi, I'm Mimi."
Hi,
That was a good one. You do yours. Remember? Hi, I'm Mimi. You gonna say hi? It is a hammer. I need a hammer. I need a hammer. I need a metal headpiece. Well, you have quite a treasure in that Herodric cube. No. That's not where it's going down. She's showing Hello Kitty to my monitor, and it doesn't work that way. You know, Hello Kitty will be devoured by Diablo, the Lord of Destruction. No, wait. That's Baal is Lord of the Destruction. Excuse me. This is getting very hard now because I haven't had any of my drink. I didn't have my beverage. Hiccups could occur. I'd prefer they didn't. So let me be honest. What this reminds me of a lot is no. What's the super spicy one Paldo does? It reminds me of that one. I want to say Daibok, but it's definitely not what it is. God, what's it called? I can't even think about what it's called. It's kind of got the same gauge noodle. I'd say the heat range is pretty comparable. Yeah, I can't even think of the name. What just happened? Did something just happen? No, nothing just happened. That's good. I'm eating noodles, sweetie. What do you need? This one I like. It's got the heat, but it's got a nice flavor to it. Oh, you're sticking your... No, you need to stick your tongue out at that. Nobody's going to see you over there doing that. They're going to see you looking at my phone. This is what you say. Blah, blah. Yeah, see? It's killing me. I've eaten boatloads of that Paldo stuff, and I can't even think of the name of it.
I'm Mimi.
When she's in the mood to do her little "Hi, I'm Mimi" shtick, she's all, "Hi, I'm Mimi." Uh-oh. Move it. Go, 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 go. Man. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm really getting sick of this 360 cam. Nope.
We can't do our video.
No, we can, but it keeps all of a sudden running out of juice really, really quick. And that's not helpful for our endeavors here. The top one is working. Ugh. There's no hanky-panky going on. You know there isn't. You can see the bowl. I'm not doing anything weird here. They can see the bowl. Hey, look out. There we go. Now, with that done, hopefully, see, now it's connected. Let's see if it stays going. Loading up the camera. And
The camera.
there we go. Hopefully it'll work again. It might just die in like a second. I hope not. Mimi, go sit down, please. You don't. I know. You don't go sit down. Well, luckily I'm almost done. The phone.
Turn it on.
I don't have licensing for that song. They're gonna take it down on YouTube. Alright. I want to say I just got a bit of clam in that. Clam or beef or something. Must have been a mushroom. Alright, well we're down to pretty much water. Love water. So it's time. Bottoms up. I do love music. I love music of all types.
Papa, you love Hello Kitty. I do love.
Hello Kitty music? Oh, I've heard worse.
I love my Hello Kitty music. I like.
I don't like Dixieland. Yeah.
Let's go. Look at the rainbow, but I can't see.
Done. Done, done, done.
Dun dun dun.
Yeah, have a look. Look in there. How'd that look? Did I do good?
Mhm.
Is it all gone?
Yes.
Every last bit. Miles, can you come look? Okay. Come look, eh? Is it all gone? Excellent. I did good? Good? I did good?
Yes.
I'm gonna throw that thing. Oh, man. All right, well, come here, guys. This has been,
Mario.
and this has been,
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Every day.
After.
Have a good one.
Bye.